is known for its unique tail called the vestron and its autopilot capabilities, which can complete an unaided approach to the water and bring the aircraft into a stable 50-foot hover or automatically fly search patterns, an ability which allows the crew to engage in other tasks. The Dolphin is usually deployed from shore, but it can be deployed from medium and high endurance Coast Guard cutters, as well as the polar icebreakers. The Dolphin's main jobs are search and rescue, law enforcement, and treaties, including drug interdiction, polar ice patrols, homeland security patrols, marine environment protection, including pollution control, and military readiness. Watch now as the Dolphin approaches from the left. And going to get a simulated rescue. Watching the aircraft approaches Airshow Center. We'll soon get the trail line basket. The trail line, extending here momentarily. Again, this is a simulated rescue from the Dolphin and members of Air Station Atlantic City. Believe me, I come from the Houston area, and signs like this were not uncommon not that long ago with Hurricane Harvey, as rescues were taking place all over the Houston and South Texas area. There's several different ways of offering rescue. There's the trail line basket, which descends out of the helicopter. There's swimmer direct, in which sometimes assistance is needed in the water and interpreter is necessary. The free fall swimmer, the free fall deployment of the swimmer is the fastest method of getting to the rescue, to rescue a swimmer on scene in the water. Once the helicopter descends low enough, the swimmer slides out of the door and down into the water. Once the swimmer gives the I'm OK signal, he moves to assist the scene and decide which equipment to use for the recovery of the survivor. There's also the harness swimmer. The rescue swimmer is lowered into the water using a harness. He'll enter the water and elect to either detach or stay connected to the cable. Then he proceeds to connect with the survivor, signaling to the helicopter the desired recovery method. There's also the rescue sling. This device is used by the swimmer descending on his call, a rescue sling. The main advantage of this method of deployment is that he may choose to release himself from the sling at any time during the evaluation, with the purpose of avoiding heavy seas or reaching the survivor as quickly as possible. Now you see the trail line basket. The trail line you see descending from the helicopter is used to aid both crews in delivering the rescue basket directly to the deck of the vessel. Time permitting, it's the safest way to guide the basket on the vessel, especially in heavy sea. Once on deck, the survivors will be loaded on the rescue basket. The helicopter will then move into position over the boat and begin hoisting the survivors. The crew on deck will tend the trail line. But in urgent situations, the trail line can be disconnected altogether. The Coast Guard is the smallest branch of the United States military and a unique member of our nation's 5 military services. It proudly performs 11 vital missions, including port and waterway security, drug interdiction, aids and navigation, search and rescue, living marine resources, marine safety, defense readiness, migrant interdiction, marine environmental protection, ice operations, and law enforcement. The Coast Guard is both a federal law enforcement agency and a military force, and therefore is a faithful protector of the United States in peacetime and war. In times of peace, the Coast Guard operates as part of the Department of Homeland Security, enforcing the nation's laws at sea, protecting the marine environment, and guarding the nation's vast coastline and ports, and performing vital life-saving missions. In times of war, and at the direction of the President, the Coast Guard serves under the Department of the Navy, defending the nations against terrorism and foreign threats. Nearly 42,000 men and women are actually serving in the Coast Guard to defend America's borders and protect the maritime environment. That means 2 things. Every job you do is important, and everything you do gets noticed. Those who excel are rewarded with promotions and more responsibility and more diverse missions. If you're interested in a career in the Coast Guard, you can visit their website at gocoastguard.com. That's gocoastguard.com. And there is a recruitment tent right here on base, located almost right at Show Center. If you'd like to get more information on the United States Coast Guard, visit their booth located right here on the ramp this weekend at the MDL Open House and Air Show. The MH-65D Dolphin. As members of Air Station Atlantic City flying in today to be a part of the MDL Open House. Great to have all the support of all the military right here at this weekend's air show, as again this base is so unique in the fact that all 5 military services operate out of this one base. All right, get your cameras ready as we'll get a pass from your right to left as the Coast Guard and the Dolphin will approach and make another flyby for us. Once again, a big thank you to members of Air Station Atlantic City for bringing the MH-65 to the open house today. Here they come from your right. I guarantee you, when you're stuck in the water or on land and anywhere you need a rescue, to see that Coast Guard helicopter appear overhead is a big sigh of relief.